Yo guys, welcome back to Windows Fixer. In today's video we will fix the snapping tool in Windows 10. Many people are facing this issue, so let's fix this snapping tool. The first thing, let me show you. When I press Windows hold plus shift plus S, it's pop up, but whenever I take screenshot it's not capturing. So first we will open here any browser and then search here for snapping tool download. Once you hit there, you will get here the direct snapping tool link, and you can download it through Microsoft Store. Now both store will pop up. The first one is this one, the browser, and the Microsoft Store will also pop up. We will simply download this snapping tool, and there's no download. Just click here, click on start downloading, and then open it. You can also close the background folders, we don't need. Now it's retrieving and starting the download in Microsoft Store. After downloading, now it's installing, and after the installation, now it's opening the snapping tool. That's it. Now simply you can hold shift Windows key, then shift plus S, and take a screenshot and click here. You can see you'll get here your screenshot. You can also simply launch this snapping tool, then click here and you can take screenshots. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any question, please feel free to ask in the comment section. As you guys know, we are working on the suggested tutorials. Have a good day. Bye bye.